Satnam. Today we're going to be working with Kundalini Yoga. The Kriya is called meditation for the negative mind. Because if we do not work with our mindfulness, we cannot manifest our desires. Now let's begin tuning in. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. We want to cup our hands where our right hand is cupped over the left, and the left hand is also cupped underneath. We are going to have our eyes open just a little bit, but mostly closed. The spine being straight. We are going to inhale and exhale from the nose, and we are going to let go of anything that no longer serves us. Any negative patterns, any ego patterns. So to do this, you need to be able to surrender. And to begin this meditation, you want to bring the hands up to the heart chakra. It's not touching the heart chakra, but it's the same level as it. Let's all begin. that, I'll tune out with a long sat and a short nam. Sat nam. Thank you for joining me today, Kundalini Sacred Goddess. Today we were working with Kundalini Yoga, meditation for the negative mind. This was creating more positive thoughts, healing ourselves from within, letting go of the negative thoughts, the ego patterns that may be inside us, awakening our consciousness and being able to manifest our desires into our physical reality. Again, thank you for joining me today, Kundalini Sacred Goddess. If you like my video, please like. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Namaste.